Hello, my dear customer. How are you? My name is Sammy from Boyue All. Today, I just want to introduce our CNC Lathe tools and also the spare parts. Please have a look at this. This is the post start, and we also call it the extension knot. So we have different accessories and different ISO standard. This one is the ISO 7388. The access is 40. And also we have the very popular classic, the BD40. The degree is 45. As you can see, this is the product. So you can show. Because now more and more customers are looking for the post start and also different knobs. We have all for supply. And also, please have a look at this. This is the knot. So we have different accessories like ER16, and also this one is the ER25, and this one is the ER32 UN. So we have different accessories and also the different standard, the knot, and also the post start, and also the extension bar, and also please have a look at this. This is the spanner. We have also different chassis. This spanner is for the ER16, and also we have the big one. This one is the ER25, the spanner, and also we have a ER32 spanner. So this is just the spanner for reference, and also please have a look at this. This patch is the Collets. We also supply the magic collet and also the extension bar and also the tools. Please have a look at this. You can see this patch is the tool holder. We have lots of tool holders for supply because our customer looking for the tool holders. And also we have many other tools like the chamfer tool. Please have a look at this patch. This patch is the chamfer tool. Customers looking for the high-speed steel chamfer tool, and also we have the Carbide, the chamfer tools, and also we have the central drills, both high-speed steel central drill and also the Carbide central drills. So any questions about the CNC spare tools, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.